bike, and we just booked 2 bullets for tomorrow to go to Solang Valley and many other places. So guys, this was a shop in Manali Mall Road where we rented our bikes. So guys, these are 2 bikes which we have booked for tomorrow going Manali and Solang Valley. So I'll update you. Guys, it is raining and a very good morning, and it's raining in Manali. I think so you can see the raindrops. And it's raining very heavily, I think so. Yeah. As you guys can see, the snowfall has started. So guys, after clicking the photos and videos, we came down towards our hotel. So guys, the second day in Manali was full of new experiences. We enjoyed rain plus the first snowfall in 2019, and it was a great day. So in Manali we experienced both the days, and it was a good experience in all. And just because of this heavy snowfall afterwards, the roads were slippery, so we missed our Solang Valley, and we did a normal mini trek. It was one of my best memory and my best experiences, and my first time traveling in Manali on a bike during snowfall. Because all the bikes halted here just because of half of the bikes were behind, so we thought we wanted to stop and move ahead together. So guys, the snowfall was very heavy, and it was very difficult for the person who is riding the bike. ये हिल रहा है, चल रहा है बाबा, त्याच्यावरती मेरे को डर लग रहा है यार. हाँ हाँ बस बच गया, संभल के चला है. पहुंच गए हम. As you can see, a guy have a rented bikes are parked which we missed going like for so long. I just loving this place. So guys, here's the Manali Carnival is going on, so let's go and check it out. So guys, the Manali Carnival is going on, let's check it out here. So guys, I was really shocked for a few seconds after watching the Marathi fashion show in Manali Carnival, but it was good. There are the local shops in Manali. Let's see. There are the locals and even the tourists have come here. So guys, it was one of the best moment and best place I visited in my lifetime. So there's only one word for Manali, that's heaven. I have lot of new experiences and memories with my friends, and I'll gonna miss all of this. So guys, after handing over the bikes to the owner, we returned towards the hotel, and this was the scene from our room. The roads were like full covered from ice, and this was just in 4 to 5 hours, and the roads were like full of slippery, and there were no vehicles for transportation. It was very difficult to transport from one place to another place.
And I need to feel you when you hold me. You unfold me. And I need to feel you when you hold me. You unfold me.
That's the shawl factory of Kullu. So let's go inside. Price क्या अच्छा है अच्छा बहुत expensive. So guys, this is shawl factory. As As you can see, there are the machines to make shawls, and there are the shawls. We made several shawls. So guys, as you can see, various shawls. This orange shawl is around 840. This blue one is around 840 only. I think this is 840 range. So let's go and check some different shawls. So as you can see, this shawl is around 350.
अगर 5 पीस लेंगे तब 300 हो जाएगा।
हर एक पीस का ऐसा है। So guys, this is a kids area and the muscles area. So guys, in Kullu we even had an option for river rafting. So it was around 1000 rupees per person. It includes the river rafting charges plus the waterproof jacket and a video.
अरे आंटी हो ना क्या कर रहे हो अब
पेमेंट पहले करो बाद में
52 है 50 52 38 हाँ बराबर 54 38 ना 40 कान नहीं नहीं मांगते 40 एवढे आता पॅक करून फायदा बाहेर जा
So guys, this was the end of my north trip and with unforgettable memories. So guys, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell button to get notifications of my new video. And thank you for watching my video.